Hi, this is Scott here at Gresham Toyota, and today I'm going to do another how-to video. I'm going to show you guys how to use the third row on the 2019 Toyota Highlander Limited. It's super convenient, easy, tons of space, and it's so nice that on long trips you'll if you're back there, you'll just fall asleep because it's so comfortable. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that right now. So really quickly, I'll show you guys the configuration in the back. We have the smart key in my pocket, so we're gonna get to the back. Press this right here. It opens up. So what's nice about this is those seats. There's a lever right here to make it fold down. So pull that, push it, so you can see both seats lay flat. And this is the third row. And to get it back up, you just pull on this handle here. And then if you want to recline it a little bit, you pull the handle that makes it go down, but it can make it recline too. So pull here. And what's nice is that you can, this headrest right here and all the headrests, you can actually make it pop it up. So basically you have this configuration right here. You can use a cup holders as just a place to put your arm, and those middle seats, which I'll show you guys in a bit, you can scoot those forward and back, making it really easy for the third row people to have lots of space. Now that we know how easy it is to set up the third row, I'm going to show you guys how to get to it. What's great about the Highlander is that every seat reclines. Also in the middle and the back seats, they fold down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold the seat down. I'm going to use the 1 and 2 button to make it fold down. So let's do 1, so it makes it roll down, and 2 will make it lie flat. And what's great about the Highlander is underneath the seat there's a track that makes the seats go back and forth. And so to get to the back, I can just step over here and easily get into that third row. So that's kind of how to get into the third row. You can see how much space you have. You have quite a bit of space. And those seats are reclined back on the Toyota Highlander third row. But yeah, come out and check it out. Hey, thanks again. This is Scott here at Gresham Toyota. I am reclining back in the Highlander in the third row. And it is super comfortable back here. That's just a quick little video about how to use the third row. It is so easy, and the seats are so comfortable in the Toyota Highlander. If you want to check it out, look at the space, look at the size, come see me here at Gresham Toyota, and I'm Scott. My phone number is 503-758-3612. We're #Gateway to Adventure, and that's how to use the third row on the Highlander. Have a good day. Bye.